Hi everyone, Phil from Phil's Train Layout. Today, what I think I'm going to do is I'm just going to work on this little section of track right here. I'm not going to do the whole thing. I think I'm just going to do this in short little videos through this whole section, and I'll do a bunch of stuff, and then I'll just come back and show you what I've done. Today all I'm going to do is I have my soldering iron there, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to desolder this turnout to get it out of the way, because that one's coming out. And this section here, I already took out the turnout, and I'm going to make that two separate pieces of track coming through here. So I'm just going to continue on, take out this little section, take out all the road bed, clean it all up, and relay this section of track right here, and get this all cleaned up and ready to go. So here I am on top of the layout again. So what I am wanting to do is this branch right here, or siding that comes into the maintenance shed, I want it to maintain going back up this direction, back onto the main line. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this back here. I'm just going to move this track over slightly to over here and have this branch on this siding over here from this little tiny yard. I'm going to have this one come back through and attach over to this line, which is slightly out of view, just like that. But so what I kind of want to do is have this here coming from the hill, and this one connect up together right here. I'll remove all these and then have it connect to the center track going around the back side of the layout. So I'm just going to cut all this out and reposition the track back up here so that it continues a little bit more straight, just to give a little bit more space in here, and then have it come back up to the switch up at this end. Okay, so spent a little bit more time here lining up all the tracks and removing a few more excuse me, removing a few more little sections. So now I actually have it so that this maintenance line comes straight back through here and connects back up to the main line just past that track right there. Then this is actually the line that comes from the town way down at that end down there, and it comes down this line right through here, and it will connect back up to the center track, which will also continue to travel all the way around the layout. So now I have my main line, which can travel all the way around the layout. I have the center line, which can travel all the way around the layout. And this track, which circles the town, which I have shortened up a little bit and just made one loop around this town, but it can also connect to this track, which is the center track, which goes all the way down to the other end of the layout to the other town, and it also connects to the main line if I wanted the train to travel to other destinations, to like swap out the passenger cars for something else that goes way off in the distance. So I think that that's all I'm going to do for today. I actually have the plan in motion. I actually have the layout in position the way I kind of want it. And now all I have to do after that, on the next time, is lay down some cork bed, clean this up a little bit, lay down some cork bed, make sure it's flat and smooth, put the track on, and then I'm back in business running trains again. So, well, actually that's a lie. I still have that end down there to finish up to connect everything back. But this section would be ready to run a train after I get this fixed. So thank you for watching, everybody. Take care, stay safe, and play some trains.